Hello and welcome to a new episode. We will be learning what is WordPress, why choose WordPress, examples of websites built with WordPress, how WordPress works, that's the themes, plugins, and the database. Number 2, choosing the domain and hosting, installing WordPress, either you are doing it on the cPanel or you're using local server, that is AMP or MAMP. Then overview of WordPress dashboard, basic settings like site title, tagline, permalink structure. Then next we'll be learning posts and pages, categories and tags, media library, comments management, installing and activating themes, using the WordPress customizer, editing menus and widgets, page templates and theme options, child themes, what they are and why use them, creating posts and pages, adding images, videos and other media, formatting with the block editor, that is Gutenberg, and using reusable blocks. What are plugins and how to install them? They must have plugins, the SEO, security, performance, backups, plugin settings and updates, managing plugin conflicts, introduction, that is intro to Elementor, either Elementor, Divi or Gutenberg editors, building custom layouts with code without coding, using templates and sections. Then we'll have WordPress user roles and permissions, adding, editing and deleting users, security best practices for users. Then basics of SEO for WordPress, installing and using an SEO plugin, and in our case I'll be using Yoast. So another thing is optimizing titles, meta descriptions and images, setting up Google Analytics and Search Console. Then we're gonna have updating WordPress themes and plugins, backup your website, securing login using the 2FA, that's a two-factor authentication, and then strong passwords, malware scannings and firewall. Then we will now learn why speed matters, catching plugins, image optimization, choosing fast themes and plugins. And another thing we'll be learning, installing WooCommerce, this for selling or setting an e-commerce store, setting up products, categories and tags, payment gateways that we learn, PayPal, Stripe and M-Pesa integration to our website, shipping settings, managing orders with WooCommerce. Then we will learn introduction to HTML, CSS and PHP in WordPress, using the theme editor with caution, custom post types and custom fields, integrating APIs to our WordPress. Then now next we will be testing before going live, migrating from local, maybe on localhost to a live server, then submitting sitemap to Google, promoting your website, display Google ads. We will learn also affiliate marketing, selling digital products or memberships. Now the final project will be having the students to build a complete website, either business, blog website, a store or portfolio website or any other kind of website. Apply all learn skills, then present and review.